So this is part 2 of putting in our spiral staircase. We are done enough with the floor to put our spiral staircase in, finally. We are placing the post.
So I'm doing the whole post now.
Okay. So we set up the pole.
Can someone just get on the ladder just to be safe?
On it?
Well, no. Just put your
hands.
Just hold the ladder. I need to.
Okay.
It's even more important than a video.
Okay.
I got it.
Oh, the ladder. I thought you meant this. This looks like. Okay. This is the spiral staircase.
Hey,
Putting the next one down. I'll be right back.
So wherever I slide over the top is going to be 7 inches higher.
I'm just going to put the platform up there. Platform time.
You can't lean it at all.
well, hang
I
on.
don't feel comfortable leaning over.
Let's see how this
Okay.
tastes.
Jackson, we're gonna have to try to lean
These kinds of.
Okay.
I mean, if I
Which
lean
way?
it and it goes, it's gonna, you know what I mean?
Is that?
It won't go. Oh, sweetie. It's, yep. Yeah. Oh, honey, I'm so proud of you. It's stuck on the stairs. Jackson, move the stairs. Move the
ladder.
stairs.
Ladder?
Your ladder. Yeah. Are you good?
I guess I can leave this. I was going to take this off.
We did it.
I think that's fine.
You want it? I can't put that on right now. I'm holding the stair. I use both of my hands.
So this is where we're at. And there's a little board up there you can see. And there's one over there. But there's no one holding this up. It's very unstable. Those boards are just kind of helping to keep it in a tight position, but it's still very unstable. I don't know what we're gonna do next, but we'll soon find out. We have successfully finished drilling into the ground, and it took probably like a half hour. So we're spacing the stairs out now. Oh, that almost hit me.
Now I got to measure. They're all 30. 30 degrees.
So that is our video on installing the staircase. Remember to subscribe and share. And that's it, I guess.